My name is Jeff Brown. I'm the general manager for the Perle show in Dubai. Perle is the first resident show of this type in the region. It was created by Franco Dragone, and what he does is he takes elements of the region and incorporates it into the show. To operate this show, it takes 192 staff members, 60 of which are technicians, 50 of which are performers. The main reason we switched from the current lamp projectors to the Epson laser projectors was cost savings. I spend over $300,000 a year on lamp changes alone, not including manpower. We selected the high-quality Epson projectors because it allows us to transform the theater to any other space we want to, which creates a richer experience for our guests. We went with the Epson laser projectors because of the reliability. The fact that we do 10 shows a week, 425 shows a year, we needed something that was long-lasting and reliable.
Hi, I'm Steve Critchley. I am Head of Lighting, Video and Special Effects here at Perle. I've been at Perle since we started creation 3.5 years ago. We work over 270 degrees in the theatre, so we have to make sure all of our guests are immersed all of the time. Using new technology at Perle, we look at colour, depth of colour, brightness, contrast. All of these were delivered using Epson projectors. Here at Perle, we installed 8 Epson EB-L20000U projectors. From pre-sales, sales, delivery and installation, the installation process at Perle was incredibly smooth. We had Epson come and join us on site. They assisted with removing old projectors, showing us the new technology that they just released inside of tool sets. The software is incredibly intuitive and easy to use. I can measure reduced costs by looking at costs of lamps, which we now don't have to change every 3 months. Moving from lamp-based technology to laser-based technology, we're going to see consistency in terms of brightness, in terms of contrast, and in terms of colour. And also maintenance. We'll be maintenance free for 5 years, which means that I can better deploy my team to other projects in the theatre. The performers were amazed by the quality of the new laser projectors. We're even seeing parts of images in graphics we've never seen in the show. We cannot wait to show our guests.
We're looking forward to working with Epson to incorporate more of their new technologies to enhance our customer experience when they come to see the Perle show.